Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we show you how to make a simple but super cute Stanley Cup for your American Girl or any 18-inch sized doll. This craft was inspired by MyFroggyStuff. I'll link Toya's video in the description box below. Our dolls want to be healthy and hydrated, so let's get making. For the Stanley Cup canisters, you can recycle plastic caps from beauty products, a medicine cup, or even large glue stick caps. Here we used a segment of tube from a novelty Christmas candy cane. It is cut to be 4 centimeters tall and has a 2.5 centimeter diameter. For the smaller cup, we took the tapered cap from an insect repellent bottle and trimmed it to be 2 centimeters tall. Using hot glue and a silicone mat or non-stick wax paper, seal the top and bottom of the larger tube. When the glue has completely cooled, peel off the mat and flick away the excess glue around the rim. Following this, hot glue the tapered cap to the base of the tube, doing your best to keep it centered. For the handle, cut a 1 centimeter strip of white cardstock, fold in half and glue together for added strength. At one end, crease a short tab, then fold the strip at 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter, then 1 centimeter again to form a rectangular box. Adhere the tab to the cardstock and clip off any excess paper. Apply hot glue to one long side, then glue the handle to the larger tube. We are going to spray paint our Stanley Cup, so first need to mask off the top 5 millimeters. You can use low-tack painter's tape or washi tape for this step. Have fun customizing your cup to be your favorite color or colors. We opted for a classic pink. Remove the tape and reposition it to paint the rim and top white. We made a second Stanley Cup in the same way and painted it a gloss grey, so our boy dolls can be in on the trend too. To make the drinking seal, we traced around a sticky tape reel since it has the same diameter as our large tube. On paperboard, trace both the outer and inner rings. Cut out the circle, then double up the paperboard to give it more strength. Mark the center point, then draw vertical lines 5 millimeters on either side. Inside the lines, draw a thin oval shape. Cut along the vertical lines, then paint this piece the same color as your Stanley Cup. Add details with silver reflective cardstock. You need a thin strip and an oval. Glue the silver oval to your painted seal piece, then bend the ends upward. Use a brad punch to make a hole at one end for the straw. We used a white lolly stick, but you can also roll a tube from computer paper. Pierce a hole in the hot glue lid to slide in the straw. Slip the seal over the straw, then affix the paperboard to the lid, ensuring it is parallel with the handle. Glue your thin silver strip just below the white rim. Then finish by adding the Stanley logo using a fine-tipped black pen. Have fun making these adorable Stanley Cups for your 18-inch dolls. If you enjoyed this video, we'd appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to support our channel. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!